gising lahat. I am Ridge and I just woke up at 7:30 a.m. as our first day of Christmas vacation. So I'm planning to have this vlog series here in my channel na kung saan I will be bringing you guys with me in my journey to getting back on my early bird lifestyle kasi naging akong night owl nung online class. Pero nung face-to-face, I'm an early bird and I've seen the health benefits of being an early bird kaysa maging isang night owl. Disclaimer out there, I am basing everything on my experience, okay? So sa base aking experience, mas healthier ako nung early bird yung aking lifestyle, yun yung pina-follow ko na routine kaysa nung naging ako night owl. By the way guys, kahit nag-start na yung aming Christmas vacation, meron pa rin pa kaming mga submissions na gagawin. So let's start this day! By the way, I'm an architecture student. And another thing is, nabasa din ako mag-breakfast. And I also talk to God in my prayer time. And just a quick reminder to all of us to put God first in our lives, to put Him in the center of our lives kasi siya ang pinaka-importante sa ating buhay. And God bless. And I'll be working on with my plates now. By the way guys, I will be listening to one of my favorite podcasts and yun ay ang Bible Linear podcast while I do my plates. Actually, I'm not sponsored by them, I'm not affiliated with them, but I think God, I get to discover this podcast. It really helps me out while I do my plates. For the overall decoration, especially this huge nativity set. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you like this video. If you do, leave a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn the notification bell to be part of the originals. And that is the Ridge and Fam. Hope you like this very first episode for It's a Wrap, wherein wrap stands for Ridge and Productivity Tip. And sabay-sabay tayo maging early bird once again. If you've been an early bird and naging night owl ka katulad ko, or gusto mong itry ang pagiging early bird from being a night owl. Also, more of me on my socials, link in the description below, and you can also check out my other videos. I'll be putting cards. And remember, originals, you guys are my rich inspiration. God bless!